that which has kind of already been planted. And if you choose that you don't like what you've planted, that you can plant something new. So it really feels like there's very wide open possibilities for you. The path of the soul says that in 2024, you will be led towards your soul's true nature. I wanted to say purpose, but they said nature. Your soul's true nature. I feel that there's going to be a lot of self-discovery and discovery of what truly resonates with you. Now, with card 14, footprints coming out as well, and this being a reflection of 41 numerically, I feel that your